All right, everybody watching, back with some more Lowheat, and you can tell by the toe and frame, I'm joined by my partner in crime here for this unboxing because let's do it the proper way first. Today we have some more Lowheat for the ladies, for the women, and anyone who can actually just fit into these shoes. We have the Nike Waffle 1 they are for women, but they only go up, unfortunately, to women's 12s, which is men and a half, men's 10 and a half, men's 10 and a half. So unfortunately, you're gonna see these and you're gonna want them. And just like me, I wanted them, but I can't get them because they don't go up to my size. But my lady here was lucky enough, because they are for women, that she was able to get them. And she didn't really know. I mean, she had seen these, right? You'd seen these before.
I'd seen them.
Seen these, but then we went into a sneaker shop in Claremont, California, and these were on the shelf. And I was like, look at these. You should try these on. Because I don't think you were going to initially.
No, I liked them, but no, I wasn't going to. No.
But now looking at these, look at that.
Yeah, they're pretty sweet.
Look at that. She had to try them on, and then after trying them on, it was signed, sealed, and delivered.
So, seeing them, I like them. I love the colors. I like that this is like an off-white, but I didn't need to try them on. But once I did try them on, there was no way they weren't going home with me. I loved them the moment I put them on.
Yeah. These are so dope. Definitely a little bit more feminine colors, but I think anybody could rock these. And this, you said, was off-white, and I would agree, but it's more like gray, light gray taupe. This is more off-white. This is definitely white. Mm-hmm. And these are waffles because of the sole, the outsole here, kind of their Nike signature from way back when the company was first made, where they used the original design used a waffle press.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
I have a question about those before you move on. Can you turn them over? Because we do a lot of hiking and outdoor walks on trails, are these at all considered trail shoes because of this waffle design, or no?
No.
Okay.
These were originally intended for track, and then obviously, as they've been updated, these are not modern day track technology by any means. But no, I would not consider these hiking or trail shoes at all. I would consider these casual shoes, maybe walking shoes. They've supposedly updated the midsole here. This is supposed to be, I think, a little bit more comfortable. So there is that, but I definitely wouldn't use these for hiking or trail. Especially because with this mesh, which is awesome for showing off your socks, it's not great for keeping out dirt. So she tried these on, and they looked amazing. So you have this mesh kind of upper on the inside of the toe. You have they're another layer, so it's not as see-through. Oh yeah, she's gonna try one on right now. She has her Travis Scotts on that foot. Why don't you show them off? Flex a little. Flex on them.
Ooh.
Definitely beating me. She got those on a sneakers draw. There's an unboxing video. You should go check that out. You should go check out my unboxing video I did of these, of hers. Another lace lock. Anyways, we'll take this moment while she tries them on to, if you have any females in your life, tell them to check out the channel and subscribe, because we're going to do more of these women's shoes, or at least labeled women's shoes. So if you want, if you're curious, or whoever is curious about what they look like, about fit, etc., we have a few shoes on the channel, sneakers on the channel for the ladies. So why don't you reveal?
All right.
Here they are on foot. Yeah, those are dope.
I really like them. Yeah.
And what socks are you wearing underneath those?
So, I'm wearing some new socks we got when I actually got these shoes. They're just Nike.
Nike ankle socks, but they look great underneath.
They're bright colors, so I thought it'd be fun to show you behind the mesh. It's not a clear mesh, which I actually like.
Mm-hmm. It's tinted blue.
Yeah. And that right there is a part of an in for the Nike.
Oops.
It's not the shoe.
Yep, right there.
That's an in on the sock, not part of the shoe. But I wanted to show you a colored sock underneath, so you kind of see the mesh. I guess white now.
Those
would have been better, but
are absolute fire. I think these are so cool.
Yeah, I really.
And you like these?
I really like these.
And despite their popularity and how hyped they are, you actually like those better than the Sakai waffles.
Yeah, and I can show you quickly why. Why is this here for me?
Just a design element.
I'm gonna get it stuck in a door or something. I'm clumsy. And then these out here just.
You don't like the waffle.
I don't like them on the toe. They're like little
Nubs on
headlights
the
without lights.
Yeah, well, these are mine, so you don't got to wear them. You can maybe borrow these laces, take these laces, because I probably won't keep those ribbon laces in when I first wear these. Maybe you throw them on these.
Yeah, I like those laces a lot. But I do love these shoes. I think they're awesome.
You like these, yeah, because they do have the double, triple layered heel, but they don't have, it's not so exaggerated and sticking out. And how much were these? I think 110?
Yeah, like 110 with tax.
100, yeah, so it's super affordable. These are available now on Nike's website, and other retailers have them. These come in a men's colorway, kind of fuchsia orange. So there is not this colorway for men, but there is men's in this silhouette and model. And I did just notice that now, this raised part around the thing. How does this feel around your foot and ankle, this thin ankle collar?
So in another video where we talked about the Air Force One Flyknits, it's kind of similar around the ankle part to the Flyknit, where it just kind of feels like a sock. It's so thin up here, even with that little bit of padding that you just pointed out, but the part right around the ankle is really thin.
And how do they fit?
Oh, they fit. So I'm a 7, and they fit perfect. They give me just enough room in the toe to move them and not feel all tight. And
so go true to size, you think?
Yes, true to size on these. They feel
comfortable?
And they're very cushy.
And they seem lightweight. They seem super lightweight.
Yeah, which, for me is a big thing. As cool as these Travis Scotts are, they're, not as heavy as I thought, but heavier than my normal. So these are great.
These look like the perfect summertime shoe. Perfect to wear with either shorts and some socks, or wear with, like, I don't know, leggings, capris. You could wear these with jeans.
Cute dress.
Cute dress. You could wear these with just about anything. And I think because you could obviously pair these with the bright colors on top, but since these are bright, I think you could go gray or black on top also. That would be cool. Or different color pants than blue jeans, like maybe some black colored stonewashed jeans or white jeans, I think would make these really stand out. Just my opinion. Style them however you want them, though. So yeah.
I really like these. I'm really happy with these.
Yeah, these stood out.
Price,
these stand out on the shelf, and then they stand out on the foot. I think these are like a head turner for sure. And yeah, because these aren't a collab or whatever, you can easily get these. That's the best part about these. Sometimes it's nice to have some heat, obviously, like those Travis Scotts. Never hurts to flex on people, but it's always nice when you can get, this shoe would get probably as many, if not more, head turns from just people not in the know about sneakers than those Travis Scotts. And that's, that's what's really all about.
One last note. I really like, I don't know, I feel like one of your soccer cleats maybe did this, but, oops, sorry guys, new to this. I really like this tongue.
That fits your ankle?
Yeah, because I have issues with some sneakers where it's a hard tongue and it rubs right here, and I get scars and scratches. So I really like...
Kind of like those Travis Scott?
Yeah, these again, I really like them, but I have a scar on the ankle, and they dig into here like no other.
And those definitely don't.
And these are, A, they're super thin, but B, because of that cut, it fits perfect right here, and it's a dream.
Yeah.
I love that. That was one of my favorite parts, but actually.
They look super comfortable. Yeah. So, yeah. Great. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see some more. I got some more videos coming up, more unboxings and reviews, and who knows, there might be some more women's shoes in the future. Give a shout if you are a lady in the comments and you actually watch this, so we know to keep doing them.
All right. Ladies, where you at?
Thanks.